Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by signing into your Microsoft account and opening Edge or the Bing app. This gives access to automatic features. Once done, enable voice and location permissions so Bing can tailor results accurately. Next, pick your objective. Are you gathering quick facts, doing research, or setting ongoing alerts? Because that choice changes which settings you'll turn on first. Now, tap the search bar or voice icon to begin the automatic search process. You're ready to feed it your initial query. You issue a clear query, speak or type, and include keywords plus simple filters like date, 2025 to narrow results. Once the initial results appear, enable auto-refresh or continuous search to let Bing update results automatically. This is ideal for live topics. Then refine using operators cite to limit domains, file type, for PDFs and term to exclude noise so results converge. Make sure to review summary cards and click into a result to teach Bing which sources you prefer. You finalize by saving searches, creating alerts for ongoing automatic updates, and organizing results into collections for future reference. If results feel off, adjust your privacy and search settings to broaden or narrow scope and tweak your query terms. If the automatic feature stops working, clear cache, relogin, and toggle microphone or location permissions. Those steps usually restore function. Finally, test with a simple query to confirm updates are running. If they are, you're done and can rely on automatic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.